What did you do yesterday?
I went to the park.
Did you watch a movie last weekend?
Yes, I watched a comedy movie.
Where did you go on your last vacation?
I went to the beach.
Who did you meet at the party?
I met some old friends.
What did you eat for dinner last night?
I had pasta and salad.
Did you finish your homework?
Yes, I finished it last night.
What book did you read recently?
I read Harry Potter.
Did you play any sports yesterday?
Yes, I played soccer.
How did you celebrate your last birthday?
I had a small party at home.
Did you visit any museums last year?
Yes, I visited the Science Museum.
What movie did you see last?
I saw The Lion King.
Where did you grow up?
I grew up in New York.
Did you have any pets when you were a child?
Yes, I had a dog.
What did you study in college?
I studied biology.
Did you go out last night?
No, I stayed at home.
What did you buy from the store?
I bought some fruits and bread.
Did you cook anything special recently?
Yes, I cooked lasagna.
Where did you work before your current job?
I worked at a bookstore.
Did you see any concerts last year?
Yes, I saw a rock concert.
What subjects did you like in school?
I liked math and science.
Did you travel by train recently?
Yes, I took a train last week.
What games did you play as a child?
I played hide and seek.
Did you have a favorite toy?
Yes, my favorite was a teddy bear.
Where did you spend your childhood?
I spent it in a small town.
Did you have a favorite teacher?
Yes, my English teacher was my favorite.